Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're checking out one of the most talked about mid-range phones of the year, the Honor X9D. Honor's been quietly leveling up, and this phone might just be the sleeper hit of 2025. Let's see if it actually delivers. Right away, the design feels premium. Slim frame, curved glass back, and that circular camera bump that totally gives flagship vibes. The display's a 6.78-inch AMOLED with 120Hz refresh rate, and it's buttery smooth. Colors pop, brightness is solid even outdoors, and watching videos or scrolling socials feels amazing. Under the hood, it's rocking the Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 chip with 12 GB of RAM. Everyday use? Super snappy. Gaming? Surprisingly good. Genshin, PUBG, all run without major frame drops. Honor's Magic OS is lighter and more polished than ever. Still has its quirks, but way less bloat than before. The 108-megapixel main sensor is the star here. Shots are detailed, colors are balanced, and low-light performance is better than I expected for the price. The ultra-wide is okay, not mind-blowing, and the front cam handles selfies nicely. Video tops out at 4K 30 FPS and looks crisp with decent stabilization. You get a 5100 mAh battery with 66-watt fast charging. That's about 50% in under 20 minutes. Easily a full-day phone, even with heavy use. Wireless charging? Nope, but honestly, at this price point, that's fine. So, the Honor X9D isn't trying to be a flagship, but it nails what matters. Great display, solid performance, strong camera, and killer battery life. For around insert current price in USD, this is one of the best value phones you can get right now. If you found this helpful, drop a like, hit subscribe, and let me know in the comments. Would you pick the Honor X9D over a Pixel or Galaxy in this price range? Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.